Kung gusto mo lang ng simple body scrub for raw, peeling skin, this one use ingredients na baka meron ka na sa bahay. 2 tablespoon sugar. Ito ang nagbibigay ng grainy texture para makatulong mag-remove ng some surface build-up. 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder. This is the ingredients I'll be the most careful with. Cinnamon can cause irritation. So kung sensitive ang skin mo, I'll consider skipping this. 1 tablespoon sunflower oil. Help reduce that dry or tight peeling and leaves the skin feeling condition. 7 drops lavender essential oil. This add fragrance pero optional lang. Essential oil can irritate some skin, so more is definitely not better. Add the sugar and cinnamon into a clean bowl. Then add the sunflower oil. If you're using lavender oil, add only a few drops. Mix everything until you get a damp, grainy scrub na madaling i-spread. And remember, body scrub lang ito, no need to scrub aggressively. Use this only a healthy, intact body skin. Apply a small amount onto damp skin and massage very gently for around 20 to 30 seconds. Focus on areas na usually rough like elbow, knees, and legs. Then rinse thoroughly. Pat your skin dry and apply a plain moisturizer. Kung bagong shave ka, skip mo muna ang scrub that day dahil mas sensitive pa ang skin. After rinsing, your skin may feel smoother, softer, less rough, more moisturized. That's the realistic benefit of exfoliation. Honestly, the sugar and sunflower oil are doing most of the practical works here.